Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve these beachy waves with a curling iron. So I like to grab a thin section like this. I start at the back and then I open the clamp, put the hair up high, closer to the roots, and then you pull it down. You do one complete twist, pull, so you have good distance to where you can twist it out, pull, twist again, full complete loop, then you loop it out, and then you repeat down the hair. I like to alternate because this is what gives you that more of a tousled wave look versus curls. And then I loop out. So every time I come down and I want to go down the hair, I just slightly open the clamp and then twist and pull. And so what the pulling is doing is it's lengthening the curl, so that way it's not such a bouncy curl and it's more of a wave. This last one, I always like to make sure I do it away from my face, so that way it falls nicely. So I open the clamp the hair, pull through, and then twist out. Slide it through, twist out. All the way to the end, and like that. And I like to leave this section untouched, so that way the curls set. And I go to the next section. After a while, I'm sensing a smile. Now I'm going to add my favorite texture spray. And this is the point when I break up the curls. I add more texture spray to create volume. Finally, I like to add some shine spray to the ends. I'm sensing a smile, a smile, a smile, a smile, I hope you give this technique a try. Also, I just want to remind you not to rush the process in learning how to curl your hair. It takes time to get the feel of using the curling iron and just how to move your hands to get that desired look. So just keep practicing and you'll get it. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Take care.